Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, May the 5th, I got 5 press releases for you, pretty fitting for 5/5/2011. Resources news, and I've got some U.S. news as well. Let's start off with the resources. Canaco Resources, C-A-N, on the Venture Exchange. They announced 17.5 meters of 7.29 grams ton of gold, including 4.5 meters of 17.4 grams per ton. They closed yesterday at $3.90, 52-week range, 645 on the high, 55 cents on the low. You got some really happy shareholders. You got some really unhappy ones right now, but trading in its 52-week trading range. Next up, Oro Mining trades on the venture on the stock symbol OGR. They announced they hit 167 meters of 2 grams ton of gold. They're saying this is the discovery of shallow, high-grade gold mineralization. In that headline number, they also included 6.9 grams over 28.5 meters. A second rig is being mobilized to complete the planned 5,000-meter drill program by the end of the second quarter. They closed yesterday 26.5 cents, 70 on the high, 23.5 on the low, so they're pretty much at the 52-week low. And this is a lot more of what we're going to be seeing out of the venture space now, whereas a few months ago everything was on the high. Everything now is pretty much in the mid-range to the low range. So this may be signaling bottom, but you got to be patient because the summer could be slow, but good pickings, and we're going to keep reporting it. Pelangio, PX, had 1.5 grams of gold over 42 meters. The results of 10 additional diamond drill holes, totaling about 1,800 meters on the project in Ghana. That hole was in a broader intersection of 0.89 grams ton of gold over 85 meters. They also hit 1.6 over 16 meters and 1 gram over 22 meters. This company is holding over $10 million in cash. I like that because if things slow down the markets, Pelangio won't be affected. They've got 2 properties that they say are company-making potential, and these are both in Ghana. 62-cent close yesterday, $1.31 on the high. Quite a haircut there. 15 cents on the low. So again, an opportunity for you to take a look, but be careful on your pickings. Cadillac Ventures, CDC, 582 feet of 0.39% copper. Something you should know about this Thierry Mine project. Measured indicated mineral resources right now, 6.2 million tons, grading 1.92% copper. Inferred mineral resource also on top of that, 8.2 million tons, 1.79% copper. Nice numbers there. 16.5 cent close yesterday. Listen to this, 52-week high, 34 cents. Again, a 50% haircut. 52-week low, 13, so they're bouncing off there near the bottom. This may be signaling a turnaround sooner or later, or at least a base out here for you to start accumulating slowly. Let's switch over to some financial news. Zynex out of the U.S., OTC, ZYXI. This is a producer, a provider of non-invasive medical devices for all sorts of applications. They put out their first quarter numbers and guidance. That's why I like this press release. Revenues are up 36% for the quarter to $6.63 million. Gross profit came in about $5,189,000, but their expenses came in about $5.32 million. So it looks like a loss for the quarter. Nonetheless, they're reaffirming guidance of revenue for the whole year. Remember, this is first quarter, whole year, $30 to $32 million, and net income between 8 cents and 11 cents a share. That's for the entire year. Now, they closed yesterday at $1, so at that earnings per share number, they look pretty healthy as far as the valuation goes. They're, somewhere around 10 to 12 times earnings. You can't complain about that when you're an OTC company. But I like these numbers, and I like the fact that they're giving guidance. It shows me a lot of confidence coming out of the company's CFO, Anthony Scalise. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 5 great press releases for you today. If you're watching this on Global Investor, then look to the left of me or below me, depending on the page you're on, to see other resource companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show on a daily basis, take a look at the archive shows of the past couple of days. To my right are the best headlines over the past few days, and get into the directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.